Hi everyone, this is Lisa. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to be making our own glitter glue. And this is really super easy and it's a lot of fun. And what's great about this technique is that you have control over how thick or how thin you make your glue. So we're using our Dazzling Diamonds glitter here. And this glitter is super fine and super shiny. If you have never seen it before, it is absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to be using our fine tip glue pen. Now I made this sample about an hour ago and it's already dry, but see, you can get some fabulous dimension, and when it dries, it doesn't come off. So say you're making a scene for Christmas and it's not going to come off on your Christmas card. And also, if you don't know that you can use the fine tip glue for like a lacquer, you can do that. I've also done some samples here on black, so you can see the dimension, and I'm going to mix it thick and then thin and show you the difference. And again, here's just an example of using it as lacquer. So you can use it for bubbles or raindrops or whatever. So I'm going to bring in some black and white cardstock, just like I showed you in the example. And I'm going to bring in a little cup. It's a little med cup, of course. And I'm going to be pouring out a little bit of my fine tip glitter here, or glue. And I'm going to mix up a fairly thick consistency, just to show you the difference. Now you can mix this up any way you want it. You kind of just have to play with it for a while, but I've been doing this for a while, so I know kind of how much I need of each. So this is pretty thick here. And I'm going to move this out of the way so I don't get glue in there. And you can see I'm struggling a little bit to get it off the tip of the Q-tip, or the toothpick. And I'm using a toothpick because I feel like it gives me the best control. But as you can see, since this is so thick, you're able to use it almost as a paste. So now I'm going to thin it out a little bit. And this way we'll be able to just drop it onto the paper. And I'm adding a little more. And see, now it just drops right off of the toothpick. So as you can see, they're super thick and then it gets thinner. Same thing here. You can see the drops and the thick. And I'm also showing you once again about using the fine tip glue as a lacquer or a glaze. So I'm just showing you that this is possible. And when this dries, it will be completely clear and shiny. So it's sort of like, I don't know if you've ever used crystal effects or glossy accents or anything like that. It basically does the same thing. So there on the left, it had an air bubble. So before you begin on your project, be sure you squirt it out on a scrap piece of paper to get rid of all of the air. And that's all I have to show you for today. I really appreciate you joining me. Hope you give this a try for yourself. Have a wonderful weekend and happy crafting. Bye.